What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick update on Shiba Inu. Was very much necessary. I mean, the last time I covered this, I did not expect this. All right. In general, when I think about the meme coins, I view Dogecoin or Pepe or even Floki as much more bullish than Shiba. I think they have way more things going for them. But the thing is, and I've talked about this somewhere last year, is that I've actually seen some statistics that Shiba actually has the biggest community. So I kind of overlooked it. Was my bad, I think. I mean, we did talk about it going higher, so that's not the point. But I did not expect a move like this, right? Since yesterday morning, we've rallied a total of 85%. So very bullish right now. It still is bullish. I mean, if you look at the daily time frame, even the weekly time frame, we're trying to break above a very strong support level, or it's still resistance basically. But right here between, I would say 1800 and 2000, maybe a little bit lower right here. So we're trying to break above that. That seems to be working, at least on the daily time frame. And then ultimately, we're trying to get to those previous highs, or at least higher up that ladder right here around 3000, I would say. That's our main price target. There's still some resistance here in the middle, I would say around 2500, psychological level, of course, which you can also see on the daily time frame right here. But ultimately, Shiba Inu at this moment, it still looks bullish, all right? Earlier this morning, what we saw is that Bitcoin was showing a little bit of bearish momentum with a strong Bitcoin dominance, which is still the case. So that's never great for altcoins, and that includes meme coins. But at this moment, if you technically look at Shiba, the most recent breakout it got is above 2100 and 2000, which is the top of this bigger key level. Broke above that, instantly took a bullish break retest. All right, so right now there's not much that's bearish about Shiba. Just straight up, that's my thoughts on Shiba Inu right now. Now, the real situation, though, is a little bit more complicated, all right? What you can see right now is that the open interest is absolutely going up, all right? So there's a lot of momentum, and there's no real signs, except for this spike down, but there's no real signs that Shiba Inu is losing a lot of momentum. There's also a lot of spot buying. We had some major spot buys right here. So the average price is around 1800 on that. So that's, I mean, if you assume that this is a major spot buy by some sort of a whale and they bought at 1800, then they're up about, at this moment, they're up about 22%, which is a nice gain. But I would say that they'll aim for higher, all right? So right now, even though I think the markets are risky, all right? I mean, if you look at the funding rates, something like this is unsustainable. It just is, all right? It's getting yellow across the board, which is crazy. It used to, or no, it's getting orange across the board. It used to be yellow. So that's getting pretty ridiculous. And Shiba Inu is 100% over leveraged. So we're going to get a huge spike down at some point of time. But at this moment, and that's why I don't like to say it, because I know we're going to get that spike down in the next week. But at this moment, it still looks most likely that Shiba will rally up higher towards 2500, with a good chance to break above that and rally up to that level around 29 and 3000. That technically looks most likely. There's almost no confirmation that we're going to drop down. Now, to be safe, what I do want to tell you is that right now, the way I would see the markets is the following. Basically, that we're stuck between 1850 and 2400, and we're waiting for a breakout. And to be at least a little bit safe, I would wait for some sort of a breakout here, all right? I would not buy Shiba Inu right now. It's up to you in the end, of course, but I think it's too risky in these market circumstances. Because if for some reason Shiba Inu drops down below 1850 and closes there, that's probably because of the big spike down. And then we're going to spike down even lower. We can drop down like 30, 40, 50%. Like I said, at this moment, it still looks most likely we'll get that bullish breakout. But it's better to be safe than sorry, all right? So those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.